Hi, my name is Kylie, and welcome to the solar system. Do you know where you live? Of course you do. You know the street and the town, the state or province, and the country. You know you live on Earth. Did you know that Earth is just a tiny part of a large solar system? In this video, you'll become an expert on our solar system. You'll learn about the planets in our solar system, our sun and moon, asteroid belts, dwarf planets, and other objects. Get ready to launch into space! Do you love to look at the sky? Scientists who study objects in the sky and in outer space are called astronomers. Astronomers love to study our solar system because it is where our Earth is located. It is like our neighborhood in the bigger Milky Way galaxy. Astronomers use special tools like telescopes, computers, satellites, and space probes to view and measure things in outer space. Telescopes help astronomers see things that are very far away, like zooming in on a camera, but a lot more. Computers help them measure and keep track of the information they find. Satellites and space probes are machines astronomers send into outer space. Satellites stay close to our planet and orbit Earth, while space probes travel long distances to study planets, asteroids, and other objects in our solar system. They both have computers, telescopes, and other devices on them to help astronomers see into outer space even more clearly than they do here on Earth. Our solar system is made up of our sun in the center, planets that circle or orbit the sun, and a few other things we'll talk about in a bit. First, let's get to know some amazing facts about one hot topic, our sun. We say the planets, moon, asteroids, and other objects that orbit our sun are in a solar system because the word solar means sun. We are a system of objects around our sun. Our sun is a gigantic ball of hot gases that all the planets, asteroids, and other objects orbit around and is at the center of our solar system. It is so huge, it has tremendous energy and gravity. Gravity, the same force that keeps you and I on Earth without flying off into space, is what keeps planets close to the sun. Planets circle around or orbit our sun. There are at least 8 planets, including Earth, that currently orbit the sun. Here are the planets in order from the closest to the farthest from our sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There's one more, Pluto, but that we'll discuss in a bit. Astronomers sort of argue about Pluto. There are a lot of neat ways to remember them in order, but I like to use this sentence. My very educated mother just served us noodles. Each first letter of the words in the sentence are the first letters of the planets in order from our sun. There are more planets and moons in our solar system. Asteroids are chunks of rock or metal. They do not have their own gravity and do not rotate. They are usually not perfectly round and have a rough or bumpy shape. Comets are composed of frozen gases and ice. Dust particles and rocky materials are embedded or stuck in the ice. Comets travel around our sun in an orbit. The closer a comet gets to our sun, the sun's heat melts some of the ice, creating a beautiful glowing behind the comet. This tail always points away from the sun. Comets are amazing to see, and you are lucky if you get to see one from Earth in your lifetime. Dwarf planets are made up of rocks, metals, or different types of ice. They are too small to be considered a regular planet and too big to be an asteroid. They do have their own gravity and can rotate. However, that gravity isn't strong enough to keep other objects in orbit around it. They are usually round or oval in shape. Astronomers believe there may be as many as 200 dwarf planets in our solar system waiting to be discovered. In between the Earth and Mars lies the Asteroid Belt. The asteroid belt is a collection of asteroids that have grouped together in a strip-shaped orbit around our Sun. The largest one of these is an object astronomers have named Ceres. Ceres was originally thought to be an asteroid, but is now classified as a dwarf planet. The Kuiper Belt is a large asteroid belt that is located between Neptune and the furthest reaches of our solar system. It is much larger than the asteroid belt that is between Mars and Jupiter. Astronomers believe many comets come from Kuiper Belt, and that it is also home to many undiscovered dwarf planets. Pluto, Eris, Makemake are 3 dwarf planets that are near or in the Kuiper Belt. Before 2006, Pluto was thought to be a regular planet. However, astronomers and other scientists now know its gravity isn't strong enough to be considered a planet. Eris and Makemake are 2 other dwarf planets currently being studied by astronomers. That wraps it up for our tour of our solar system. I hope you enjoyed learning about our Sun, planets, and all the other wondrous objects in it. Make sure you check out our other space-tastic science videos. Until next time, remember to always be clever.